Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Are you feeling overwhelmed, frustrated, and confused trying to learn digital marketing? Well, you're in the right place at the right time because I'm going to share with you the 5 C's that you should master that could help you actually develop a strategy that could skyrocket your business. Now, you want to make sure you stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of 2 children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so that you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. Because you name it, I've done it, from affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading, drop shipping, been there, done that. Now, back in July 2024, I actually came across a 6-figure blueprint, a step-by-step blueprint, which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. Now I'm actually learning high income skills. And what I love about this opportunity, this program, is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. Now, if you are interested in digital marketing, these are the 5 C's that you need to master in order for you to succeed. And the very first one is content. Is literally what I'm doing now, right? As a digital marketer, you need to have content out there that's connecting with your target audience. Now, your content could be blogs, it could be videos, but you have to make sure that you're able to communicate with your audience by creating content. And that's literally why I'm here creating this video. And there's different types of content that you can create. You can even do podcasts, whatever way that you can reach. And if you can do how to just be helpful, how-to videos, informational videos, educational videos are very, very helpful, right? So in order for you to master digital marketing, creating content creation is number one on your list, should be number one on your list, right? And as again, offer value and make sure your content is relevant to your target audience, which leads me to the second C, which is your customer, right? You need to know who your target audience is. Understand that what you have is not for everybody. So make sure you understand exactly who you want to talk to. And by taking time out to actually think about this, you can create a customer avatar, right? So you can get to understand who they are, what problems they solve, what problems they're looking for, and you should be able to offer a solution to that problem, where they're hanging out. So you need to understand this, know this, these details right here, okay? Now, if you don't understand your audience, you're just going to be throwing mud against the wall and hoping something sticks. Okay, so know who your target audience is, and then you get to create content that's going to resonate with your target audience. Those are the two things, the two out of 5. Now, the third one is communication, right? You need to be able to communicate with your target audience. So in 2024, there's different ways that you can be open to communication. If you're on social media, most social media platforms have like Messenger, DMs that you can communicate directly. Emails, you need to be able to have a back and forth conversation. So make sure that you engage with your target audience, okay? Because that's what's going to help you stand out, okay? A two-way communication is very important, and be sure you are yourself. You honor who you are when you communicate with your audience. You're genuine and authentic is the word I'm looking for, okay? And then the 4th C then is conversions, okay? So you want to master the art of converting converting your leads into sales, right? Make sure that you have a system in place that does that for you on autopilot while you're doing the things that you love, right? The system is out there converting. So how you can do this by having lead magnets to attract people, your target audience, from wherever they are on social media, online, get them into your automated marketing machine. Then you should have tools and resources in place that allow you to that provide, educate your target audience. And if you can provide proof, social proof, it's even more powerful. And then the fifth part of the 5 C's of digital marketing, and by the way, I have a bonus one as well I'm going to share with you, but the fifth one is to have a community, right? A community of like-minded people that you're working together. If you're just out there on your own trying to figure it out, you're going to lose motivation really quick. So make sure that you have a community of like-minded people that are there to lift you up, that are there to push you, to inspire you, to motivate you, to keep you going. And lastly, but not least, which is very, very important in digital marketing, is consistency, okay? Consistency with your message, consistency with you delivering that message is very, very important, because if you are not inconsistent, then you're going to break that communication, you're going to lose that connection with your target audience, right? So make sure that your message is the same message that you're talking about. Imagine if McDonald's or one of those big multinationals would just change from day to day, say, oh, we're doing this, right? That's going that will have the customers confused and the audience. But they tell you the same message over and over again, because repetition, the more you hear, the more you actually become more interested, right? So be consistent with the message, deliver the same message over and over again in different ways, but also you want to be able to deliver that like every day. Every day you should be creating or posting some kind of content, right? So that you are there at the forefront. You don't go into the back of your audience's mind, okay? So those are the 5 C's plus a bonus C there, that if you are going to go into the digital marketing space, you have to become aware of this. And if you can master these things, then you will be you can skyrocket your business. So let's just quickly recap. The first one was, what was the first one? Content. It's literally what I'm doing right now, right? You need to create content that your target audience resonates with, right? That allows you to connect with your target audience. The second is you need to know exactly who your target audience is, understand the pain points, what they're looking for, where they're hanging out, and understand how what you have is a solution for their problems, okay? The next one after customer was communication. Have a two-way communication with your customers, right? Make sure that you're there, you're open, you're transparent, and you're responsive to the queries and everything as well, okay? Very, very important. Fourth one, you need to have systems that actually convert, systems that you can actually use to convert your customers into your leads into sales, okay? Very, very important, because you want to work smart, right? You want to be out there doing the things that you love, but you need to be able to have a system that allows you to capture your prospects' information, and then it takes them through a buyer journey and converts them into a sale, okay? Very, very important. Lastly, I said community, having a community of like-minded people who are there to lift you up, to motivate you, to push you, and to help you in whatever way that they can achieve your goals is very important. And then lastly, the bonus was just consistency, right? Consistency with your message, have the same message, say in different ways, but also consistently post content around the same time every single day, okay? So if you are interested in learning more about digital marketing, click the link below to claim your free 10K in 30 days guide, and I will deliver it to your email. Respond to my email, ask any questions that you might have. I'm more than happy to answer them. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.